Example number 9, another example of irregular loads. So sa example na to, ang load naman natin ay semicircular load. Okay, gagamit na lang tayo ng integration dito. So dalawang solutions tayo para sa integration. So for solution, ang ating reference is point A. And sa second solution naman, ang reference is midspan. So para sa first solution, ang reference natin is point A. Tawagin natin origin. Kuha tayo ng strip. The magnitude of the load is W and the dimension of the load is Y. And the distance of the strip from our reference A is X. And the distance from right is 8 minus X. Ito yung strip. The magnitude of the load is W and the dimension is Y. And ang ating reference is point A, the origin, 0, 0. And the distance of the strip from the reference point A is X. So ito na siya. And yung distance sa kabilang side naman is 8 minus X. So ang kailangan natin dito ay equation ng loading. Pero bago yon, kailangan muna nating malaman ang equation ng circle, applying knowledge natin sa analytic geometry. Okay. So ang center ng circle is at 4, 0 with radius of 4. So center at 4, 0, radius of 4, applying the center radius form, x minus h square plus y minus k square equal to the radius square. Then substituting the given data, h is the abscissa of the center, that is 4, and k is the ordinate of the center, 0. The radius is 4. Then simplify, x minus 4 square plus y square equal to 16. Then by ratio and proportion, considering the given strip, the load is W and the dimension is Y. Then equal to, considering the midspan, the magnitude of the load at midspan is 36, divide by the dimension at midspan is 4, which is the radius. So that W is equal to 9y. But y is equal to, from the equation of the circle, square root of 16 minus x minus 4 squared. So that the differential load is equal to W dx, but W is 9 square root 16 minus quantity x minus 4 square, and then dx. So yung ating differential load dp ay naging 9 square root 16 minus quantity x minus 4 square, and then dx. Gamitin na natin yung formula for the concentrated load. So for 6A over L, the formula is PA over L, L square minus A square. Then substitute, P is 9 square root 16 minus quantity x minus 4 square dx. The distance A is x, then over L 8, then L square minus A square, then integrate. Okay, so para sa lower limit, kapag si strip ay nasa kaliwa, so yung distance ng strip from the reference A is 0, so the lower limit is 0. And then para sa upper limit naman, kapag si strip ay nasa B, and the distance of this strip from the reference A is 8, so the upper limit is 8. Then calculator, the answer is 4071.504074. Then for 6AB over L, the formula is PB over L, L square minus B square. So P is 9 square root 16 minus quantity x minus 4 square dx. The distance B is 8 minus x, then over L, L square minus B square. Then limits from 0 to 8, answer is 4071.504074. So pareho yung sagot natin for 6A over L and 6AB over L, kasi yung ating structure is symmetrical. Para sa second solution, ang ating reference naman is the midspan. So itong midspan na to, yan yung magiging origin. Okay, at tayo ay kukuha ng strip. Okay, actually dalawa yung options na. Pwede tayong kumuha ng strip sa left side ng origin, or pwede tayong kumuha ng strip sa right side ng origin. So kapag sa left side tayo kumuha ng origin, so ang direction ng x pakaliwa. So pakaliwa yung magiging positive direction. At kung sa kanan naman tayo kukuha ng strip, pakanan naman yung x. So pakanan naman yung positive x. Say sa kanan na lang tayo kumuha ng strip. So the magnitude is w, the dimension is y. So from the reference towards the strip, the distance is x. Okay, so the distance of the strip from left side is 4, yung kalahati ng span, 4, then plus x. So 4 plus x na. And then yung distance naman ng strip galing sa kanan is yung kalahati is 4, then minus x. So ito naman yan. Then hanapin natin yung equation ng circle. Okay, so ang circle has a center at 0, 0 with radius of 4. Applying the center radius form, then substituting the given data, h is 0, k is 0, the radius is 4. So the equation of the circle is x squared plus y squared equal to 16. Then by ratio and proportion, considering the strip, the magnitude of the load is w, divided by the dimension y, then equal to, considering the midspan, the load is 36, divided by the dimension at midspan is the radius 4. So w equals 9y. But y is equal to, from the equation of the circle, y is equal to square root of 16 minus x squared. So that the differential load is w dx, but w is 9 square root 16 minus x squared, and then dx. Yung ating differential load ay naging 9 square root 16 minus x squared dx. Para sa concentrated load, formula for 6A over L is PA over L, L square minus A square, and P is 9 square root 16 minus x squared dx, and the distance A is 4 plus x, then over L is 8, then L square minus A square. Okay, integrate. Okay, so para sa limits, so unahin natin yung nasa negative side. So A, so kapag si strip ay nasa A, yung distance ng strip from the origin is 4, and since yung 4 is pakaliwa, or yung si strip ay nasa kaliwa ng ng origin, or nasa left side, nasa negative side, then the lower limit is negative 4. Then para sa upper limit naman, kapag si strip ay nasa B, so yung distance ni B from the reference, the center is 4. So positive 4 naman yung ating upper limit. Then integrating, so ang sagot 4071.504074. Then for 6AB over L, the formula is PB over L, L square minus B square. So P is 9 square root 16 minus x square dx. The distance B is 4 minus x, then over L 8, then L square minus B square, limits negative 4 to positive 4, then integrate, answer is 4071.504074.